Fashion. It's a world of creativity, innovation, and success. An industry that sets trends, defines lifestyles, and shapes our cultures. The world of fashion has changed. A lot. It is facing fast-shifting consumer demand, tighter margins, and mounting regulatory pressures. Inefficient supply chains, overproduction, and environmental impact have made our industry unsustainable. On-demand production and digitalization have started to transform practices. Yet these technologies remained out of reach for many brands and manufacturers. Until now. The next big thing in fashion is here. There's a new way to produce garments. With a modern, connected process, brands and manufacturers in sync, sharing real-time data. Valia Fashion is a breakthrough solution designed to manage the entire production workflow, from order to cutting. An intelligent digital platform to estimate, collaborate, and manufacture seamlessly for a more efficient and sustainable future in fashion manufacturing. Propel your business into a new technological era with Valia Fashion.